This is where the unmanned aerial vehicles of the Soviet era come in. In a recent article published in local media, Russian expert Sergey Marzhetsky makes a case for bringing some Soviet-era drones, especially the Tu-300, back to life to prevent the hurdles posed by Ukrainian air defenses. The idea of bringing back the Tu-300 itself emanates from a similar move undertaken by the Ukrainian military. In early December 2022, the AFU conducted a long-range strike on 2 Russian Air Force bases using a Soviet-era UAV. While the AFU has not accepted responsibility for the attacks, the Russian MOD specified that the UAV used was a modified Soviet-era drone identified by experts as a Tu-141 Stringe. It has been extensively reported that the Tu-141 drones were essentially converted into real cruise missiles, equipping them with modern radio-electronic equipment for satellite control and a powerful explosive charge. These drones were produced in Kharkiv during Soviet rule, and according to some sources, more than 100 survived in Ukraine. A whole family of reconnaissance UAVs was created in the Tupolev Design Bureau, which includes the Ukrainian Tu-141 Strizh, Tu-143 Res, and Tu-243 Res. One more such drone, according to Sergey Marzhetsky, that could become an asset for Russian operations is the Tu-300 Korshan-U, which also has modifications for conducting electronic intelligence and relaying radio signals. The forward portion of the fuselage is equipped with mechanical communications, an electronic computer complex, and auxiliary and surveillance equipment. The main load, missile bomb armament, and radio-electronic equipment are fitted on the external points of the fuselage suspension and in the fuselage compartment. The UAV can carry up to 1 ton of specialized load in addition to its weight of about 4 tons. It has internal weapon bays and a single centerline pylon for external munition. It was created as a strike UAV or uninhabited air combat vehicle. It has nose fairings and an antenna dome for contemporary sensors and electronic equipment. It has a bigger inlet, which could indicate turbofan propulsion. The Tu-300 can be equipped with high explosive and cumulative fragmentation bombs as percussive weapons. Sergey Marzhetsky argues that if the Fab 500 aerial bomb, which was recently equipped with a planning and correction module, could be placed on the suspension at the Tu-300 Korshan, it would be possible to send attack drones capable of penetrating a thick reinforced concrete slab, dropping them without entering the enemy's air defense zone. This would cause significant damage to the enemy's supply lines. He further argues that the Russian troops can get a perfect drone fighter by fitting the Tu-300 Korshan with modern control systems, homing air-to-air missiles, and a rapid-fire machine gun. Marzhetsky sounded urgent in bringing back the drone since the Ukrainian military has been using the Tu-141 to strike targets deep inside the Russian territory.